Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve a particular problem on the calculations of the limit. Uh, in this problem we are going to use some concept or some formula of the limit calculations for the functions at a point and some basic properties of the limits. Let's do quick recap on the some properties and the formula of the limits. Here the first property. Let's write the first property here. Uh, the limit of a function of a logarithm functions, limit of a functions ln of f of x when the x approaches to a constant number a, then this can be written as ln of the logarithm of limit of that function at the same point. Here we write a very special property of the limit of a functions, limit of a logarithm functions. The limit of a logarithm functions ln of f of x when x approaches to a is same as the ln of the limit of that functions when x approaches to the same number. This property is very important property on the first calculation of the limit. And let's recap the another formula on the limit. The limit of a function 1 plus ax to the power 1 over x when the value variable x approaches to 0, it is the 0 case when the variable is approaching to the 0, and at this situations the limiting value is e to the power the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of the x is a, so the limiting value will be e to the power the coefficient of x. Here this is the case, this is the case when the variable approaches to 0, and similarly when the variable approaches to infinite, the limit of 1 plus a over x raised to the power x when the variable x approaches to infinite, then at these situations the limiting value will be e to the power the coefficient of 1 over x. Here the coefficient of 1 over x is a, so we have to put that a on the power of e. These two formula are very important formula. If the variable approaches to infinite, then we have to use this formula, and if the variable approaches to 0, then we have to use the first formula. These two formula are very important formula related to the Euler number and the limit of that function. Very important formula. And let's recap on the some properties of the logarithm. Uh, the ln of a over b, this can be written as ln of a minus ln of b. The value of the b should not be equals to 0. The ln of a over b, this is the quotient law. This is the quotient law on the limit. Ln of a over b is ln of a minus ln of b. And similarly, we have the another property on the log, that is power law. Ln of a to the power some number a, ln of uh, ln of x to the power some number a, this is same as a times ln of x. This is the power law. Ln of x to the power a is same as a times ln of x. This is the power law on the logarithm. These are the very important formula and properties of the logarithm as well as the limit of the functions at a point. Let's solve a particular problem related to this formula and properties. Let's take a problem. The problem is find the limit of a function. Function is given here ln x minus ln x minus 1 over x minus e, and here the variable x approaches to a number e, and the e is here Euler number. Here we are going to evaluate the limit of these given functions. These functions. First of all, let's suppose the number x minus e is a x minus e is a variable y. This is our suppositions. Then at this situation, the value of the x will be y plus e. Here we just suppose x minus e is a y. This is the variable. Then we here calculate the value of the x, and here the x approaches to e. Here the x approaches to e, or this can be written as x minus e approaches to 0. Here x approaches to e, this can be written as x minus e approaches to 0. When the x minus e approaches to 0, then y also approaches to 0. When the value of the x minus e tends to 0, then at this condition y also tends to the same number 0. Let's substitute the variable x by our supposition variable y. And then the expressions becomes limit. This can be written as x minus e approaches to e, and the x minus e is supposed here y, so y approaches to 0. And in numerator, ln of x, the value of the x is here calculated as y plus e, and this is negative 1 minus 1 over x minus e, and here the x minus e is supposed to variable y. Here we just suppose and then do the some simplifications here, and this can be written as, or we can write here, this can be written as limit y approaches to 0 1 over y times ln of, here in the numerator here is a form, the number 1 can be written as ln of e. We can write in place of 1 ln of e. The value of the ln of e is 1. Here we take the natural log. So if we put in place of 1 as a ln of e, then this format will be y plus e minus ln of e over, here it over no terms, here the y goes in front of these expressions, this one, and this can be written as limit y approaches to 0 1 over y, and this can be, here we can use the quotient law of the logarithm, and this can be written ln of y plus e over e. Here is a form like power law, like this form, so we can use here using the power law of logarithm, y approaches to 0 and ln of, and here in this fraction we can write, we can distribute this e, so 1 plus y over e, and this number, the front number 1 over y, this goes to the power. Here we use the power law of logarithm. Let's do some simplifications on it, and this can be written as limit when y approaches to 0, and this can be written as, here the ln of 1 plus 1 over e times y raised to the power 1 over y. Here let's using the first property, here we discuss the first property. Let's, here the limit of the logarithm functions is going to be introduced inside the functions. So using that property, this can be written as ln of limit of the function 1 plus 1 over e times y to the power 1 over y when the y approaches to 0. Here we just use the property first. Let's write here the some extra part, and this can be written as, this can be for the simplified it as ln of, and here inside the ln, inside this expression looks like, this expression looks like here the case is the variable approaches to 0, so this expression looks like this formula. Here the variable approaches to 0, so we have to use this formula. Let's use this formula. Here this can be written as ln of the e to the power the coefficient of variable. Here the variable is y and its coefficient is 1 over e, so e to the power 1 over e. Here we just use this formula of the Euler number. Here we have to put on the power of e such that the a is coefficient of x. Here we do the same case here on these expressions. E to the power coefficient of y, coefficient of the y is 1 over e. So let's do some simplifications here. Ln of, here, and this can be written as ln of e, and in this power e to the power negative 1, and this can be also written as here ln of e to the power negative 1. By using the power law, by using the power law of the logarithm, we can take this power on the front of the expressions, e to the power negative 1 times ln of e, and this can be written as e to the power negative 1, and the ln of e is 1. So finally we got the limiting value of the function ln of x minus 1 over x minus e when the variable x approaches to e. The limiting value is here calculated as e to the power negative 1. This is the final solution for this particular problem. Here we use the some properties of logarithm and some formula of the Euler number, and some properties of the logarithms also. Here we use that concept, and we finally solve this particular problem. This is very important problem. Please keep watching this channel. This much for today. Thank you.